Welcome
to
to
the
the
University
University
of
of
Birmingham.
Birmingham. The International Student Team, or called IST, is part of the student services who provide many different support services to our students.
The East provide visa and immigration service, such as giving students advice on visa and maintaining university-sponsored duties. Please note that the East advisors are the only staff at the university who are able to give students UK visa and immigration guidance as they are trained to do so. Please get in touch with the East if you need any support for your student visa.
The UK government requires all international students to have the right to study. International students are defined as any students who need immigration permission to be in the UK, such as a student visa, short-term study visa, or standard visitor visa. Please note that students with any other type of non-student visa, such as a pre-settled status, settled status, or indefinite leave to remain, also need to complete the right to study check.
Before starting your study, you need to upload your immigration document to the university webpage. The uploading process will take 5 to 10 minutes. The East will then check your document and confirm your right to study with the university. You will receive a confirmation email once your check is complete. If you are studying without providing the university with evidence of your right to study, you risk being withdrawn from your course. And if your immigration sponsorship is withdrawn, you will need to return to your home country. Please ensure that you complete the right to study check before starting your course by uploading the required documents on the university webpage. You are required to attend your studies. Failure to attend will affect your study and may result in the withdrawal of your student visa sponsorship. Your duties as a student to attend your lectures, seminars, and any contact hours are explained in details as reasonable diligence, which can be found in the University Code of Practice. If you are not able to attend, for example, because you are sick, you must tell your school as soon as possible. There may be times when you need to have an absence for specific reasons and require an authorized absence. You should always discuss this with your school as first instance.
Please note that without an authorized absence, you cannot take holiday or travel outside the UK during term time. This may impact your visa if you are a sponsored student. All students are expected to attend their studies in accordance with the academic year. The exception to this is postgraduate research students who have a year calendar of engagement. As a PGR student, you have a 8-week vacation period and you will need to obtain written approval from your supervisor.
Please complete your online registration and update your details such as your address and contact whenever there is change. Make sure that you attend your class as we explain the importance. If there is a change in your course or immigration status, such as transferring your program or extending your visa, please speak to the East and ensure the compliance of your visa. It is important that you check your visa end date. You are responsible for making sure that you do not overstay your visa. If you are a visitor visa holder, you cannot undertake any work whether it is paid, unpaid, or voluntary. You cannot work on placement even if part of your course. If you are a student visa holder, you can work part-time during your study, but please check your work restrictions. Your visa will permit you to work during term time for 20 hours if you are an undergraduate student or above, or 10 hours if you are below an undergraduate degree, such as the professional students. The exact hour limit is indicated on your BRP card or your online immigration status. Please contact us if you believe your hour limit is incorrect and we can check it for you. In addition, your college may limit students to 15 hours work per week, and we recommend that you check with your supervisor. It is important that you do not overwork the hour limit so it does not affect your study or visa.
During your vacation, you can work full-time. With student visa, you cannot be self-employed, or be employed as a professional sports person, or be employed as an entertainer, or take a permanent full-time job, or work as a doctor or dentist in training unless you are on a foundation program. For any other immigration status, or if you are unsure of your work restrictions, you can send a copy of your BRP card or immigration documents to the IST, and we will confirm if you can work and how many hours you can work. The university does not normally provide a letter to your employer to prove your right to work. You can prove your right to work by providing your employer with online share code. If you are a new student at the university, we hope you are settling well. The first thing to do is to collect your student ID card and biometric residence permit. The IST will send you an email for BRP collection if you nominated the university to be your collection point. If not, you need to collect your BRP from the post office nominated by you. Not every student will be given a BRP. You may be given an online immigration status, or so-called e-visa. Once you arrive in the UK, please complete your right to study check before starting your course. You should also find time to register with a doctor, also called general practice or GP, so that you can access national health services. Finally, it is recommended to open a UK bank account, as it is useful to have this while living in the UK.
For students returning to your studies, we hope that you had a good break. Welcome back to the university. If there is a change in your visa or immigration status, please upload the new document for the right to study check. If you have previously registered with the police, please note that the police registration is no longer required. Please also get in touch if you need to extend your student visa. Any student will need to apply for a CAS from the East before extending student visa, and if you are a research student, you will need to check if academic technology approval scheme is required for your student visa extension.
If you would like to work in the UK after you graduate, the graduate route visa will allow you to work for 2 years if you are an undergraduate or master's student, or 3 years if you are a PhD student. You can apply for graduate route visa after you complete your course. Please note that the IST cannot advise on graduate route visa. However, all information can be found on the internet guidance. Please also refer to the government website and UKISA website for further guidance. You are welcome to get in touch with us when you need student visa and immigration advice. Before getting in contact, please check the internet guidance and FAQs, as they may answer your questions at first instance. If you still can't find an answer, the main way to contact the IST is through logging an inquiry on the university intranet studenthelp.birmingham.ac.uk. You can also book an appointment, call us, or visit our office. Please note that you may still need to log in an inquiry to get a detailed answer after you call us or visit us, because the visa advice will need to be given to you in written form and be kept on the record. You can find us on the 3rd floor of the University Centre, next to Avon Lecture Room. The office is open Monday to Friday, 9 to 12, and 1 to 5, apart from Wednesday morning.
Thank you.